There we are. Welcome folks, Slipknot here. Triumph called, said, do you want to borrow a bike? So we said yeah. We are in St. Cloud, Florida. And Stewart. And we're gonna ride this thing back 3 hours. Relane, he goes first.
Yeah, well, I'll see if I can make it the whole way.
I'll take a nap in the Charger. That's a bit much.
Is it?
Yeah.
It looks
Like going down like a street that I don't know. I'm not taking it. Like potholes and everything and weird blind corners.
What do you think, man?
I think it's gonna be a rough ride home.
Well, the gold wing, it ain't. Gosh, really?
Josh is gonna try to make it all on his own, so bon voyage, my friend. Good luck to you. All right, so we just left Stewart. Josh took off like a Meatloaf song because he's got work to do. And my buddy Troy reminded me about this place that he goes to every time he comes back to Florida. It's called Maryland Fried Chicken. It looks delicious. But it just so happens to be right on the path back to Tampa. So AJ and I are gonna go grab some.
Can't wait.
We're gonna bring some for Josh if I can call him at that point.
I'm not too hungry.
Yeah, we might bring Josh some.
It's not a guarantee.
So I'm gonna FaceTime Troy really quick, see what he says about Maryland Fried Chicken. We're about 45 minutes away from it.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So tell me about this Maryland chicken.
Let me tell you what I did about this chicken. Is that when last time I was in Florida, which was less recently, I fucking got a 50-piece and brought it on the plane with me. New York.
So it's that good. It's the one in Plant City,
good.
yes?
Huh?
It's the one in Plant City, yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Oh,
And
okay.
dude, I was just like, only person I shared it with was my roommate. That's it. 'Cause I had to. It was right there, you know.
What's the recommendation? What is the must-have?
You must have a 3-piece. Get yourself a side of mashed potatoes and gravy.
Baked
Baked beans. Good.
Right on.
Fucking good to go. Oh my god. Dude. You're gonna fucking lose it, dude. It's so fucking good.
I hope so. I'm very excited.
You've never been there. You know, once you go there, you're hooked. That's it.
Okay,
That's
well, it's a destination at that point. That's awesome. But yeah, no, like you commented that we needed to go there, and I saw that we are on the way there. So this is happening.
Put the goddamn chicken in your goddamn mouth.
Shit's so
And
exciting.
just,
Yeah, 1,000%. Bye, Troy.
all right,
Thanks for
bye.
recommendations. We got the chicken, and now for the most difficult 20-minute car ride ever.
Oh,
Hurry it up. You
torture.
gotta get the Hemi on it.
Let's go.
Dude, like, why are you taking the long way around? It's making the chicken take longer. You could have had it in your mouth by now if you just done it right the first time.
I'm just torturing
Now we're at a red light.
I'm just torturing you right now.
And now you're running a red light.
I can do that.
Yo. The chicken's gotten to AJ's brain. He doesn't know how to drive anymore.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, he decided to go the long way around. All right, Josh, so this comes highly recommended from Troy.
Yeah.
So we need an honest answer.
His is also traveled a little bit, but awesome. It's hard to fuck up fried chicken, man.
I don't know, man. 3-piece, mashed taters, got some baked beans, a little bun. And then highly recommended from the girl at the window that we got some apple turnovers.
Nice. Well, let me tell you, man. Little Bun also flips stage names. My future.
The chicken's so finger licking good, it comes with a little moist towelette for you when you're done. The lovely lady recommended apple turnovers. Not a review, but a first ride of the Triumph Daytona 765 coming right up. All right, another day, another ride. Let's do this, folks. I'm heading over to Burt's. Got to do some maintenance to the live wire, and you know, I've been planning for a Rubik's Cube, so I got some time to kill. That thing is driving me insane. I have never once in my life solved a Rubik's Cube. I'm going to today. Done with it. This is stupid. Not the point. Whatever reason yesterday, I started having audio problems yet again. When I was riding the Daytona 765, surprisingly really loved that motorcycle. Yeah, the seating position is something to get used to, I will say that. But as somebody who suffered from depression my entire life, walking around in the fetal position, not that new to me. It was actually quite comfortable. I felt safe. But nah, man, that thing is just a beast of a bike. And you guys complain about this thing not vibrating. That thing is like pure tuned to the extreme. Like, let's get this done, son. That motorcycle is fun. I gotta edit this video today, but if I get this video done and edited by tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do nothing but ride that motorcycle on Saturday. It's gonna be a lot of fun. It's currently Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Whatever, guys. So this is my first quote-unquote longer trip I've done on the motorcycle since I picked it up. I don't know how many miles it is from Davis Island to Burt's. I'll put it right about there somewhere. When I picked up the motorcycle from Burt's the first time, it said it had a range of 64 miles, but when I got back to the shop, it was less than 10. I'm curious to see that if the knowledge I've grown from riding this motorcycle, if I can actually get the range it's supposed to be. Because since I picked it up, it's grown 20 extra miles. Just because I ride it with respect, I ride it the way it was meant to be ridden, and you know, concerned for riding modes and positions and things like that. We are going over the bridge, which is always windy, so that might actually have an effect. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that, and we'll talk when we get past the bridge. All right, over the bridge. I feel like it was just as windy as it was when I first picked up the motorcycle. It's just one of those things where a little bit of time, a little bit of confidence, getting to know this thing, I felt a lot more comfortable. You just never know how different things react to different environments, you know. Clear skies and no wind, everything's gonna act about the same, but you know, there's a bridge over open water, there's always gonna be wind. It's a pretty good test of how things will react to windy conditions. I feel like I just lost a lot of power for no reason, which is very, very strange. It's just one of these things about these electric vehicles. You gotta, you know, it's things that you gotta keep in mind, but still plenty of range to get back home if I had to. Nothing that I'm worried about. Well, here we are, folks. Burt's Harley Davidson, and they're gonna do some maintenance work to the live wire for a little bit. I'm gonna play on my Rubik's Cube. Ooh, there's some updates over here. Girl, you better give it back or I'm gonna be very angry, because I'm not done with it yet. You be good. So it's T-minus a week before I get to give back the live wire, and I have a feeling they're probably gonna have to literally rip me off of it because I don't want to give it back. It's the most amazing thing ever. It's just amazingly fun. But the cool thing is that my good friend Kenny over here is working on something else that you guys have been asking for a very long time. He's making it very pretty. Let's wait to see what happens with that. If it's ugly, I'll give you Kenny's number. You can have it, yell at him. And just like Christmas, a bunch of boxes, a bunch of fun things. Lights. Alright guys, for everybody asking, that is an update on the Softail Standard. That's what it looks like right now. There's boxes of fun. And, you know, if you want to see what's going on a bit more, please feel free to follow me on Instagram, where I put up a lot of things that are going on currently before I have to edit videos. You're a dirty girl. Alright folks, this is where I'm going to end this video. I got the live wire back. It's nice, it's clean, it's ready to go. This did have something to do with the recall. It was a 20-minute update. They just plugged it into the computer, blah, blah, blah. We're good to go. So, thanks to everybody at Birch Harley Davidson. As always, if you're ever coming to get any service done, make sure you bring Kenny some tacos. If you're doing anything else, make sure you say hi to Beth. She will take care of you. She is the best around here. Folks, that's where I'm gonna end it. We know how this works. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.